Hello everyone, this is Marlin Carter again out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. What I'm showing to you today is the way that I have started making money online. And it's real simple. I'm using the Power Lead system, which I started out as Lead Lightning for $7 one-time fee. And now I have started seeing the results. I'm able to rebuild capture pages. I'm able to put my videos inside of capture pages, just like this one right here. I could put this video I'm making right now inside of this page right here because of the Power Lead system. Now, I want to address the beginners out there, the beginner marketers out there. Don't just fall for every program or new thing that's jumping online. Start focusing on what you want to do and how much money you want to make, and start centering in on a program at a time. Now, when you start centering in on one business opportunity, and everybody that's marketing online needs a marketing system. And you can start right with this one right here, this marketing system, and you can make it your primary business. And all you have to do is focus, start generating traffic. This is a capture page that I use. And the messages that's inside of the funnel that goes along with this capture pages are built up inside of the Power Lead system. Now, starting out, you can just start out with Lead Lightning. One-time $7 fee will get you an autoresponder and a capture page. And once you join up with the $7, you're going to have two links. Referral link A and referral link B. It's simple. 3 steps in joining. Join our Facebook group. Choose the links below to advertise, and then advertise it. Link A will promote Lead Lightning by itself. And anytime someone join up from your link, they're going to pay $7. You're going to get paid $6. Okay, referral link B is the link that you use to promote Lead Lightning and your primary business, whatever your primary business is. If you don't have a primary business, just blast referral link A out there and start making those $6 commissions. And then after a while, you'll be able to upgrade to the Power Lead system, which is the advanced part of Lead Lightning. Now, the way you advertise this link, referral link A or referral link B, you need a place to generate traffic. And that's the bottom line. Your business will go nowhere without generating traffic. And one traffic source that I use, and I've tried quite a few, and this one, MLMleads.com. I'm going to put a link. It is an affiliated program, so I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this video, and then you can go over here and purchase you some traffic once you join Lead Lightning. And then once you purchase some traffic, watch and see how you'll start generating leads. And the bottom line is building a list, building a contact list, where as those messages will go out to them, and you can also blast out an email to them about what you're doing next. And it's very simple. You got your training, and once you upgrade to the advanced part, you got unlimited subdomains, and you'll learn all about that, the subdomains and your capture pages and how you can rebuild your capture pages. And it's all in the training. And this is for the advanced members, the ones has upgraded into the affiliate part, which is a gold member. So join for $7. Take this link. Go over to MLM Leads, and they will show you where to purchase your leads at. And you're going to have a space where you can put your link at. and the leads are going to cost you like $47. I think it's $47. Yeah, $47 for 40 clicks, and they are worth it. I'm telling you, they are worth it. Okay, let me show you some proof. I don't want to just lead you along without showing you that it's working, because some of you don't know me. Some of you do know me by the videos that I've made. But I just want to show you some proof that it is working for me. And all of these are leads. Priceless possibilities. That's Lead Lightning or Power Lead System. This is 34. Everything that's in within the parentheses, it represents how many leads you got, you received on that day. 14. And these gold stars, I put those gold stars there to let you know that I'm getting paid, just like right here. That's Lead Lightning sign up right there. They came in for the $7. Here's another one. Here's another one. And I'm not just bragging. I'm just showing you all these without me showing you the amount that I'm receiving or have received. Look at all the leads that I'm getting, and all these are part of my list because of Lead Lightning or the Power Lead System. $6 there. There's a gold member right there. That's residual income. Every month I'm getting paid. $6 there, $6 there, gold member there. $15 there. That's a silver member that came in. $6 there, a gold member there. So you see that it's working, and it can work for you as well. Silver member there. Going on over to the next page. Here's a $6 membership there, Lead Lightning. Here's a diamond member. I got paid $100 one time when he came in. Here's a gold member. And just showing you it's working, and it's simple. All you have to do is start out with Lead Lightning. $7. You'll get an autoresponder. You'll get your 2 links to advertise, and go over to MLM Leads and buy you some traffic, purchase you some traffic, whatever level you can purchase at. And then it don't have to be auto ship, just buy one time. And watch and see what started happening, how you're going to start generating leads, how you're going to start building up your list, and how you're going to start getting sign-ups. My name is Marlin Carter. Click on the link below and get started with Lead Lightning. And we'll talk to you soon. Oh, if you need me, give me a holler. Send me an email or give me a call. I'm here to help. All right. You all have a good day or night. Bye-bye.